Welcome to Kin's Corner. Hi, I'm Kin Mark. My purpose is to share my knowledge and experiences with you so that you may benefit. Today we will focus on study strategies. Everyone has their own way of studying, and if yours work, stay with it. If not, here are some suggestions for you to consider. First, we will go into typical errors that some students make. I admit that I was one of them. They are the following. Common mistakes. Number 1, waiting till the last minute. Number 2, cramming all-nighter. Number 3, studying all the way through without taking any breaks. Number 4, reading, reviewing only, and that's all you do. Number 5, neglecting basic needs such as food, water, and sleep. Now we go into suggested study strategies. Prepare ahead and study over time. Start reading your textbooks early at the beginning of the school term or semester. Give yourself a head start. Use time as an ally. If you wait till the last minute to prepare for a test, time becomes your enemy, and time will likely win. Take regular breaks. Our brains are like sponges. After studying, reading for 20 minutes, it reaches a capacity and may no longer take in information effectively. For instance, when I was reading a technical journal and tried to memorize the information, my brain was at capacity, and I simply went through the motion of reading, but not retaining. I wasted my time. By taking breaks, we allow our brains to recuperate, and our powers of retention goes up. Satisfying basic needs. Napoleon was correct when he said that an army marches on a stomach. When you are studying, you need energy and nutrients. Without these, your brain will not work effectively. So eat lightly, not heavily, as this may put you to sleep. You want to nourish your brain, not make it go out. Also, remember to drink plenty of fluids, such as water. Research indicates that dehydration negatively impacts on the thinking process. By staying hydrated, you maximize your neural functioning. Sleep, rest is another basic need requirement. When you are tired, your brain is functioning at minimal capacity. Your attention span, judgment, and concentration all goes down. By getting enough rest and sleep, you maximize your brain's alertness and efficacy and can complete tasks more quickly and efficiently like a well-oiled machine. Chunking. As mentioned previously, our brains function a certain way. For example, most people retain information in chunks of 3. For instance, by chunking or grouping specific information in a group of 3, we can recall them more easily. This is one of the reasons why most locking mechanisms had 3-digit numbers in combination locks. For more complicated chunking, more than 3, we can use mnemonics, which is a way of using pattern of associations, ideas, or letters that help us in remembering something. An example would be laser, or light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser is simpler to recall than that long name. Multiple modalities. Most people are visual learners. In other words, they tend to remember what they see. Others may be auditory learners, or they learn by listening. By taking notes, you are using mechanical reinforcement, movement. Writing is a physical process that you add to your repertoire, which can also reinforce memory. These notes can also serve as study guides and further enhance retention by writing information down, taking notes. By using multiple modalities, such as visual, auditory, touch, mechanical, or engaging your senses, you increase the ways you input information, assuring greater understanding of the data. So vary your repertoire. Next is redundancy. Constant repetition or going over materials, information helps to engage long-term memory. When I was a graduate student, I remember reading my outlines over 50 times until I can record them from memory. If I can't, I can recognize the answer, particularly from multiple choice questions. For example, is it choice A, B, C, or D? The key here is that recognition is easier than recall, which is why multiple choice questions may be easier. Exercise regularly. The Greeks said it best when they said, sound mind, sound body. Exercise, particularly aerobics, such as running, swimming, bicycling, etc., can actually increase brain functions, such as increased alertness, concentration, and stamina. There is increased oxygen and blood flow to the brain, increasing efficiency. When I was in college, I ran 3 to 4 times a day and did weight training in a college gym. This changed me in that I no longer tired easily and had more than enough energy to tackle the day. I had increased stamina. I attended classes, I took 14 credits during the day, and worked at a supermarket during the evening. I had enough energy to study and research during the evening. Exercise is not only an investment in your body, but also in your success. Finally, we arrive at consistency. Anything you want to be successful in, you need to maintain consistency or regularity. Following the outlined steps, I went over on a regular basis for a long period of time until these study strategies become habit. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, please give me a like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for future notifications. As always, your comments and suggestions are welcomed. See you in the next video.